All right, welcome everybody. This is going to be a recap for this Tuesday, August 8th, 2023. Only had one trade on the indices. Didn't do anything in gold, natural gas. Didn't do anything on the commodities. Only traded one indice, and that was the E-mini S&P. Let's take a look here. We sold this. Okay, so we came in. We had an entry, HF1 short on the ES. Pretty simple trade. I went ahead and I entered. I was in and out fairly quickly here. I entered at 9:49 and I was out at 9:51. We'll look at the results here in just a minute. That was my only indice trade. But I had a pretty good day in stocks. I did trade quite a bit. A lot of scalping. But I did hit one real big one. Let's look at that here. All right, so if you were with us this morning during the first 30 minutes, I put on a couple of trades. I put on BPTS. We'll look at that here in a minute. But at the very same time, I also put on BURU. That came in at 8:20. I held on to this trade for quite a while. I did have a couple targets up here. And I was waiting for the opening bell to see if we would have a pop-up. Unfortunately, we did not have that pop-up. Now, I did have a level up here that did develop. This was a level. This is my first level. It may have hit it. I don't know. I was really going for this second level. And then it pulled back pretty quick here. Went ahead, got out, took a loss on BURU, but I did come back and play it again. Now, one of the things that I do a lot is, and I watch my early morning trades. A lot of my trades I'll get in the morning, and I may take a loss, but I will continue to look for my setups, because a lot of times what's going to happen on these stocks that I have on my watch list will eventually turn around and have some nice runs to the upside, and I can catch a little bit out of it. And that's kind of what I did here with BURU. I didn't get back into BURU until around 11:47. I did pull back, and I'm still seeing a lot of really nice buying opportunity in here, so I went ahead and I added again. I got a little bit aggressive on BURU. We did develop 4 different levels, all really, really tight here. So we had this really nice shot up right here. We did pull back. I really thought that we were going to go even much higher. It got up to level 4. It finally started falling right here, so I went ahead and I finally got out of it. Even though I saw a lot of buying coming in right here, I felt I could hold it a little bit longer. And so I got out pretty much right below level 4 on that, and made some nice money. Let's take a look at the overall results. We'll try to make this video really quick. All right, so once again, E-mini, not much, $243. Only had one trade on that. Big trade was BURU. Let's see here. First trade also I put on BPTS. BPTS kind of didn't really go anywhere. It was just very similar to what BURU did. I really didn't come back and look at that. I probably could have, but I was more interested in BURU. I saw more opportunities there. So anyway, I went ahead and took a loss on that, and I got out of it. Of course, JDST, as you know, is a carryover, so got to make a little bit of money on JDST. A lot of these you're going to recognize. YANG, very similar to JDST, just a nice, real slow mover. So we're going to continue to keep JDST and YANG on the watch list. GRPN is really starting to heat up as well. We've been seeing that quite a bit on the scanner, so I made a nice little money and scalp on GRPN. Lost a little bit on RID and NVDS, just never really were going anywhere. And of course, everything else was just kind of little scalps here and there. And overall, very nice day. So anyway, that's going to wrap it up. If you would like more information on how my approach to trading that I've used for the last 36 years now, you can find that on my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Please join me in the morning. First 30 minutes is open to everybody, so you can get an idea of my trade. I do call out my trades and let you know which ones I'm getting in, when I'm getting out, and so forth. And then after the first 30 minutes, we do move over to our paid subscribers in our Discord channel, and we can continue to watch the indices, commodities, also watch a little bit of Forex, and of course stocks. All right, that's it. Everybody have a good day. We'll see you hopefully first thing tomorrow morning. Take care.